All right, we're ready to do the front end alignment. So what I've got is a couple of jack stands, one at the front, one in the back, with a string running between them, and that string is at a height equal to the center of the hub. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to measure from the back of the rim to the string, the front of the rim to the string, and get that distance exactly equal so I know this string is in line with the rear wheels. Then I'll use that string to measure off the front to get my toe in. So let's take a look and see what we have. So let's take a look and see what we have right now currently. So on the back, it looks like 114.5. On the front, 115. Yeah, that's pretty close. So what we're going to do is we're going to move it back out just a hair. Let's see what changes that made. So now on the front I have 116.9. On the back I have 16.8. I'm happy with that, so I'm pretty confident my string is in line with the rear wheels. Now we're going to go to the front, do the same, measure, see where we are. All right, so let's see. On the front wheel, we have at the back 125. On the front, we have 120. So that means we're towed out too much. I need about 1.5 millimeters toe in, so let me crank that tie rod in a little bit. Okay, so we're going to want to pull that in a couple of millimeters, actually. So let's see where we are. Now I've got the tire sitting on a couple of pieces of cardboard, so that's supposed to help it turn quite freely. So let's see where we are now. On the back, 122.5. $123. Wow, that's close. $123, 124.9. Okay. 123.8, 124.9. It's almost a millimeter, a little over a millimeter. I'm gonna call that good for right now. I'm gonna lock this down, and then I'll take it for a test drive. See how it feels, and then we'll come back and recheck it and adjust the steering wheel if I need to. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and move this string and these jack stands to the other side, and we'll adjust the other side, and then we'll come back. Well, I can't actually take it for a test drive because I don't have my valve cover gasket on yet. Let me do that first. We don't want to spray oil all over the engine. Okay, just got back from the test drive, and the car surprisingly drives very well. The steering wheel is centered for the most part. It may be off by a degree, but I can live with that. The front end tracks perfectly, stays in a straight line. Turning feels good. It feels nice and smooth. So I'm gonna call that done. Wow, I'm running out of stuff to do here. I still have to get out the grease gun and do a full lube on the suspension and the steering there, or the steering column. And I still have a problem with my speedometer. Even though I changed the speedometer cable, the speedometer bounces around. So I feel like I'm gonna have to take that speedometer out, take it apart, clean it out inside, take a quick look, maybe lubricate that, see if I can get that working better. And wow, that's about it. Then deal with my seats. I got some splits in the seats. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that yet, but that'll be for another day.